Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm David, a financial analyst for over 28 years. Today I will explain the first basic concept you need to understand if you want to become a profitable trader. If you stop people in the street and ask them, "What is trading?" I'm sure you would get a wide variety of answers. So many answers that would only complicate a very simple concept that should be clear to anyone that intends to make trading a profitable activity. Trading is a mere matter of probability. Regardless of the various types of analysis, theories and the many charlatans posing as gurus on the internet, trading comes down to this: a probabilistic calculation. To make money in trading, you only need two things: the odds of success on your side, and a trading plan that you always stick to, without exception. Well, to put it like that, it sounds simple. But in trading, there is nothing simple, except losing money. But how do you become a trader that would likely close a trade in profit, rather than a loss? By analyzing the market correctly. There is no other way. Analyzing a market correctly means focusing only on those forces that really move that market. For example, in Forex, it's the central banks with their monetary policy, it's the macroeconomic data. These are the forces that determine the movement of a market in the medium to long term. To sum up in one sentence, to have the odds of success on your side, you need to know the markets and their dynamics, and have a good experience. However, knowledge of the markets and experience are useless if a proper trading plan is not built first. A tailor-made trading plan that zeroes in on the emotional component and lays down strict rules on money management. First and foremost, the maximum loss is calculated and prepared if the trade reaches stop loss. Everything must be planned in advance, so that you always know what to do even in the case of unforeseen events, and not suffer heavy losses that could undermine not only your account, but also your confidence. Thus, to consistently make money in trading, you need to have the odds of success on your side, so that you close more trades in profit than at loss, and you should organize your tailor-made trading plan, every aspect of it, so that the eventual loss of the position at most should equal the potential profit. In this way, the management of the trade is stress-free no matter what happens. Earning from trading is not easy, but it is possible if you are willing to work and commit yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope what you have learned today will help you in your trading. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. And if you are interested in other educational videos on the world of trading and financial markets, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This way, you will be updated with all my newest videos.